Hello, I am glad to have you here. So in this video I will talk about something that might sound pretty strange, and it's about dancing and power steering. You know, power steering, what you have in the cars with the wheel when you're driving. Long time ago you tried to turn the wheel, the steering wheel, and when the car was moving really slowly it was really heavy. So because you had to use a lot of force. Then with power steering, there's a little engine inside, you could call it, that when you turn the car, the engine inside helps you turn the wheels, so you don't need to use that much force. So, what does this have to do with dancing? Well, as a leader, we want this little engine inside of you as a follower. We want to just send a small signal, and then you interpret that signal and all the force comes from you. You move on your own. We don't need to push or force anything. That makes you a really light follower. And I will have a completely different video about light following, what makes a light follower. You can check it out. But this little engine inside, we just send a little signal to move back, and you move back on your own. We don't need to push you. We send the signal to turn, and you turn on your own. We don't need to turn you. We don't want to use much force when we lead. So you can use it as kind of a reminder. Imagine this little motor, this little engine inside, that you do all the work from the signals that you are sent from the leader. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this, if you have thoughts or ideas or whatever else you want to hear about. Feel free to subscribe to the channel here below, and of course click the little notifications button so you get new notifications about upcoming videos, about tips and tricks, and also about the online classes. Yes, that's it. Take care. See you.